So today we will need to change the cable inside the base, okay? For that we need a wrench metric 8 and a Allen key 2.5 metric, okay? And the new cable. So first we will be take out the lever, and to get access to the cable we need to take out the panel. Okay, so we can see the cable, and we will have 2 points to manage: this screw and this tender screw here, okay? So first we will be remove this screw like this. And the washer. Okay, so now that I will do, get access to the tender with the clearing, we'll take it out. Okay, you go out until you take the plate and the screw. You can see you have your cable. Take it out, take it out. You need to pass under the pump and you're out. So you come back on the screw and you get the cable out. Okay, so now we will take the new cable. New cable is coming with the screw, the bolt and the washer. So we'll remove the bolt and the washer, and you can see the screw have a flat side, so this will be position the screw on the slide bar. So you present the screw on it like this. You can wiggle and you are in position. So you stay in position like this. Put the washer again and present the board. Just don't tight it for now, okay? So after, we need to pass the cable on the disc under the pump like this, and take the other extremity, put it on the disc and put it in position like that. See, like that. So you are in position, but you need to have this cylinder upside down. So for that we need to remove and try to have the cable in the good position. Okay, sometimes you can fight with the cable. So here I am in good position. See, the top of the cylinder present face on the disc. So now you put your screw on your plate to maintain the position of the cylinder take the Allen key and just start. So when you're in place and your cylinder stay in place, you will be not have any problem. Okay, so you are like this for now. So we come back here. We maintain the slide bar like this to assure the screw and the slide bar. And you go until the top, and when you are on the top, you stop. Okay? If you continue, you will be bend something. Alright, so now you have your cable, and you need to be with a good tension for the function of the machine. Okay? So you will be turn this screw and see the tension of the cable. Okay, so you go through when you get the right tension. Okay, so this is good, and we replace the cable. The other side, the same process, but easy. Okay, the important to have the same tension on the two cables for the function of the machine. When you finish, you come back with your panel. Okay. Take your lever, and now we can see the machine and the slide bar work good. Thank you for watching.